I've found some new free keyword research tools for both Amazon and Etsy on the Merch Titans website. You might have seen me use their Redbubble tag generator before, which is pretty good as well. But now they've added Etsy keyword research, Amazon research, YouTube and Google as well. And I'll go into these two in this video, starting off with Amazon. How does this work? It's very simple. You type in a search term right here. For example, back to school is coming up. So we'll put back to school shirt, and then it gives you a long list of keywords related to this that people are actually typing in on Amazon. That's where this data is being pulled from. It's basically like the AMZ suggestion expander, just on steroids, because you've got everything in a long list right here, along with search volume data. This is being pulled from Google, by the way, not from Amazon, because they don't make that public, but this is estimated search volume from Google for these search terms. And then we get a trend indicator as well, showing that back to school peaks in July and August, which makes a lot of sense. And then in September and the months after, it fizzles out. Hardly anyone's searching for it. So that's really cool to kind of identify seasonal trends. We also get average CPC and a competition indicator. And you can look through these and find a lot of sub-niche ideas and longer tail keywords to potentially use in your listing. For example, back to school kindergarten, shirts for teachers right here is being looked for, middle school, we've got third grade, teen girls, cafeteria workers. All right, so that's something people are actually looking for on Amazon, which I wouldn't have thought of myself, for girls aged 10 to 12. So some very specific search terms right here for a gamer as well at the bottom. And whilst this says 0 for some of them, that is the search volume from Google. So on Amazon, people are actually searching for this. It's just hard to get the correct data point for that. Something else you can do is you can type in popular t-shirt phrases that people buy. For example, I'd rather be is something that I've seen a lot sell on shirts with obviously a hobby at the end or something else. And you can just see with this, you get a long list of suggestions right here. And again, this is actually being typed in on Amazon. I'd rather be golfing. I'd rather be camping, sailing. I'd rather be rich, skiing, reading, knitting. I'd rather be napping. I could see that working with a sloth, for example. I'd rather be the devil, which I would have never thought of that. I usually think of hobbies when I see this phrase, but apparently people look for I'd rather be the devil. So you can find some really cool, unique ideas right here. Like I'd rather be in Florida, I'd rather be sleeping, that you otherwise wouldn't have really found. And the list goes on and on and on. This is absolutely endless. The Etsy keyword tool works pretty much the same. You type something in at the start. Let's go with dad shirt, perhaps. Search this, and then in this case, you're going to get what people are typing in on Etsy, on that specific marketplace. Right here shown on the left, dad shirt, funny for daughter. And again, you get an indicator for the trend, which in June and July is the highest around Father's Day, of course. And then it also peaks again around December time for Q4. There's a lot of search terms right here with daughter, so that's definitely something I would look into. And it's also good keywords that you get right here for your Etsy listing, for the title, for the tags. So this is another good reason to use this, not just for ideas or sub niches, but for keywords to actually use within your listing. We've got dad shirt, guitar right here, patriotic, mowing, dad shirt with names. People are looking for custom ones as well. Speaking of, that's another thing you can do. If you want to offer custom products on Etsy, why not just type in custom right here at the top and see what are some of the most searched for search terms that have custom included. T-shirt being at the top, which is good news. So this is on Google getting about 250,000 searches a month. And then you get stickers next, hats, hoodies, neon signs, it's getting quite a lot of searches, flags right here as well. We've got tote bags, which I didn't expect to get that many searches, coffee mugs as well, quite a popular one. And then if you want to look further into any of these terms, you could just fill it in, like custom t-shirt. What are people specifically looking for in that category? Embroidery being quite a popular one right here at the top, front and back print with a picture, with a photo. What does it say if you put custom mug? We've got again with pictures, with photos, very popular search terms for that, with name right here. For dad, dishwasher, safe, which again, this is a keyword that I wouldn't have really thought of myself, but people are looking for that on Etsy. So you might want to include it in your listing somewhere. So I think you get the value of this. It's totally free. I'll have the link to this in the description, and it lets you do research for all of these different platforms in a very, very easy fashion. This will help you get tons and tons of ideas, as well as help you find keywords to actually use in your listing to get found. If you're looking for more free ways to help increase your sales, just check out this video next, where I share the top 5 best free tools for Amazon merch.